Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of innovation and technology with the top 10 coolest gadgets on Amazon. From smart home devices to futuristic tools, we've got it all covered. So let's jump right into our list. 10. Louis Robot. Every now and then as I scroll through my social media feeds, a product jumps out at me, sparking a curiosity that demands a closer look. Recently, a Louis robot did just that. Its captivating blinking eyes and the promise of a ChatGPT-enabled desktop companion stopped me in my tracks on Facebook. The concept of a robot that could not only interact but also serve as a functional and engaging desktop companion immediately piqued my interest. Driven by a mix of excitement and curiosity, I took the next steps, joining the Louis Robot's Facebook group and visiting their webpage to dive deeper into what this innovative gadget was all about. At this early stage, I discovered that Louis hadn't yet launched on Kickstarter, indicating that his journey to market was just beginning. 9. Canon IV2 Mini Photo Printer. 0.8 zinc portable photo printers don't quite match the image quality of dye sublimation models, but the output of the original Canon IVY reviewed here in June 2018 was mediocre even compared to its zinc competitors. Canon's new IVY2 Mini Photo Printer produces better small format 2x3H prints at similarly low running costs, making it a good value, especially with a current discount from $129.99 to $99.99. Our only real complaint about this IVY is that even with the discount, it lists for $30 more than the Kodak Step Instant Mobile Photo Printer that just copped an Editor's Choice Award among Zinc's smartphone companions. Instead of ink, Zinc photo printers use special paper infused with colors released by the printer's application of heat, producing images in a single pass. Canon says that with proper storage, images from the IVY2 should last for up to a century. By contrast, dye sublimation or dye sub devices like the Polaroid HyperPrint 2x3 pocket photo printer and the Kodak Mini 3 retro portable printer take 4 passes to lay down cyan, magenta, and yellow ink and a clear coat that helps colors stand out and protects images from dust and fingerprints. 8. Helios Touch Lights. Helios Touch is a product that has all the above features. It is a modular sensitive lighting system that has magnetic tiles so you can have your own shape of light. Each module is hexagonal shaped and responds to touch/swipe independently. Helios Touch is available in 2 types, warm white and cool white. The warm white version is best suited for relaxing rooms like a lounge and bedroom. The cool white version is perfect for bright rooms, as an office, kitchen, etc. You can use up to 24 lights on one power supply, and the package includes an international power supply supporting multiple plugs. I just came to know that Helios Touch is closing down its store and discontinuing its products. I know it is sad, but the good news is we have some close alternatives to Helios Touch lights. Some of them have touch control, are available online, and have received rave reviews from all over the internet. Majority of these are smart lights, meaning these hexagon lights work with Google Home or Alexa, can be controlled via your smartphone or voice command. 7. Moki Acid. Moki Acid is a captivating narrative that transports readers into the heart of adventure and self-discovery. Set against the backdrop of the majestic Moki Dugway in southeastern Utah, the story follows a group of intrepid climbers as they embark on a journey of both physical and emotional acid, friendship, and the indomitable human spirit. As the climbers navigate the rugged terrain and face seemingly insurmountable obstacles, they are forced to confront their own fears and limitations. Each step upward is not just a conquest of the mountain, but a triumph over inner demons and doubts. The prose is vivid and immersive, painting a vivid picture of the stark beauty of the desert landscape and the adrenaline-fueled thrill of scaling sheer cliffs. Through rich sensory detail and evocative language, the reader is transported to the edge of precipices, feeling the heat of the sun on their skin and the rush of wind in their hair. 6. Easy One Touch 4. If you have a CD player sitting unused in your car, then the DIDN Easy One Touch 4 CD slot mount might be for you. Putting your car mount into your unused CD player slot is a great idea for all kinds of reasons, not least because it means your air vents are free for doing what they were built to do. Some modern cars might not have a CD player, of course, but those who do should definitely consider this mount. The Easy One Touch 4 CD slot mount is competitively priced at just $20 from Amazon right now. The product is listed on the DIDN website but is out of stock at the time of writing. Made of plastic for the most part, the Easy One Touch 4 CD slot mount isn't what anyone would call a premium design. 5. Flux Keyboard. The Flux Keyboard redefines the typing experience with its innovative design and advanced features. Crafted with precision and ergonomics in mind, it seamlessly combines sleek aesthetics with unparalleled functionality. Featuring customizable RGB lighting and responsive mechanical switches, every keystroke is a delight to the senses. Whether you're a professional writer seeking speed and accuracy or a gamer in pursuit of the perfect gaming experience, the Flux keyboard delivers with its programmable keys and intuitive software interface. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to productivity with this cutting-edge keyboard that adapts to your unique needs and preferences. 4. Fantic E1 Pro. The Fantic E1 Pro is a gaming keyboard that's designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. Engineered with precision and performance in mind, it boasts a sleek and ergonomic design that ensures comfort even during the longest gaming sessions. Equipped with customizable RGB lighting, the Fantic E1 Pro allows you to create stunning lighting effects that match your gaming setup or mood. Its durable construction and responsive mechanical switches provide tactile feedback and optimal keystroke accuracy, giving you the competitive edge in every game you play. With programmable keys and macro support, you can customize your gaming experience to suit your playstyle and preferences. Whether you're a casual gamer or a professional esports competitor, the Fantic E1 Pro is the perfect companion for dominating the virtual battlefield. 3. Echo Frames. Audio-focused smart glasses sound good in theory, but fall short in practice. Amazon's third-generation Echo Frames, starting at $194.99 during an introductory pricing period and $269.99 after that, are more stealthy and stylish than the previous version. However, fundamental design limitations mean they still can't match the sound quality of conventional earphones. The frames have a decent balance in the mids and highs, but they offer no bass to speak of, and every outside noise will overwhelm whatever you're listening to. On the bright side, they have surprisingly good microphones, function quite well for voice calls, and you can use Alexa to control your music, messages, and smart home devices with your voice. 2. Neofit Roller. If you're someone who uses a foam roller but travels a lot, you probably already know how impossible it is to bring one with you so you can use one on the road. Foam rollers aren't very small and take up quite a bit of room in a backpack or piece of luggage, or just when thrown into a car. The Neofit Roller is a fitness roller that collapses down to just 4 inches wide, so you can pack it with you wherever you go. When fully extended, the roller measures 12 inches long. To use it, just expand it by pulling it outward. Use it just like you would any other foam roller. And when you're done, just push it back in to collapse it down to a tiny 4 inches wide. Perfect to throw into a backpack, purse, bag, or piece of luggage to take with you to the gym, yoga class, or even on a flight to use in a hotel room elsewhere. 1. Lock-in Smart Lockbox L1. The Lock-in Smart Lockbox L1 is a revolutionary solution for secure key storage and access control. Designed with modern technology and user convenience in mind, this smart lockbox offers a seamless way to manage keys and access permissions. With its robust construction and weatherproof design, it ensures the safety of your keys in various environments, whether it's for home, office, or rental properties. Equipped with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, the Lock-in Smart Lockbox L1 allows users to remotely grant access to their keys via a smartphone app. And there you have it, our top 10 coolest gadgets from Amazon. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.